there, everyone. This video is going to be all about vowels. Now, in kindergarten and in first grade, we learn a lot about vowels and the short sounds that they can make. Let's review those now. We have A, apple, a. E, ad, I, itch, I. O, octopus, and U, up, Now, those short sounds aren't the only sounds that these vowels can make. Sometimes in words, especially like in words with magic E at the end, these vowels say a different sound, and we call this sound their long sound. Most of the time when a vowel says its long sound, it's saying its name. So, let's start with letter A and check out letter A's long sound. We know A's short sound is A, apple, a. When A says its long sound, it says A, safe, A. Nice job. Let's check out letter E. When letter E says its short sound, it says E, ed, e. And when it says its long sound, it says its name, like E, Pete, E. Nice job. Let's check out the letter I. Letter I's short sound says I, itch, I. And when he says his name for his long sound, he says I, pine, I. Nice job. Let's check out letter O. Letter O's short sound says O, octopus, But when he says his long sound, he says his name, like O, home, O. Awesome job. Now, letter U is a little bit different because even though letter U only has one short sound, U, up, it actually has two different ways to say its long sound. The first way that it can say its long sound that we're going to look at is what it says when it says its name, just like the other letters. So U's short sound is U, up, but when U says U for its long sound, we practice it by saying U, mule, U. Now, the other way to say U's long sound doesn't say its name. Instead, it says ooh. Just like you rule, ooh. So we have you up, you mule, you, and you rule, ooh. All right, let's practice these on our cards before we end our video. I'm going to say them, and I'm going to give you time to echo it back to me. When we say our cards, we're going to say our vowel, the picture or the word, and then we're going to make its long sound. So this magic E up here next to our vowel, he's reminding us that this vowel is not saying its short sound, it's saying its long sound or even its name. So let's give it a try. This card goes like this. A, safe, A. Your turn. Great job. Let's try this one. E, Pete, E. Nice job. Next one, this one is I, pine, I. Awesome. Now we have O, home, O. Next one, U, mule, U. Awesome. And our last one is U, rule, oo. Awesome job, everybody. Thanks for practicing your short and long vowel sounds with me.